Before we do a quick welding demo for you on a job that we've got come in, an interesting little job. So this is a piece of exercise equipment, and then the sponge roller goes, or foam roller goes in here. And you've got to be able to split it apart to be able to change the roller. So what we've got is a machined part there, 2mm thick wall thickness tube, butting up to it. We've got to put a nice weld across here because it's a high-end customer and they're looking for a nice finish on the weld. So we're going to start off here, put a bit of wire in, a little bit of wire just to seam that in. We'll start from here and work my way up. Welding on 55 amps, and they're looking for a nice finish on the weld. So, come up the other way now, and then when I'm done, I'll polish it up and show you some pictures.